Hey guys, welcome to OMG. Today I'll be doing MPL app review. This is a legit review. I tried this MPL app for a month. So here's the review. We'll move on to the video. So if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. And this is the MPL app. This is my dashboard. Can you see on the top I have around 108 coins or tokens, and I have 16.1 rupee as earning, where actually this 15 rupees is just a bonus cash, and 1 rupee point 1 paise is just my earning from this app. I'll be showing you what all my earnings and transaction history, everything. First of all, in this app you can earn money by playing games. That is what is MPL app is. So I played games and I earned money. I have earned around 22 rupees. I first started with this Fruit Chop. Fruit Chop is like Fruit Ninja. In the starting, when I just entered this app, before a month ago, when I just installed this app, I got an option in most of the games called Hum Punch. I'm not sure about the pronunciation, but its spelling will be like HUMPANCH. So it's a game where you have to use your tokens to earn real cash. Real cash won't be like, it won't be so much. It's just like 2 rupee or 1 rupee, where first 10 ranks will be getting 2 rupees, and after 11 to I think 30 will be getting 1 rupee, and after 30 they'll be getting in tokens. So that is what is Hum Punches. I used to invest 8 hours in this app to just earn 2 or 3 rupees. And my strategy in this app was like, whenever I earn a single rupee, I'll be transacting it to my Paytm app. So I didn't leave anything in my wallet. I transacted all the 22 rupees, and I just had around 2 rupees on that day as an earning. I used that to play a rummy game, but I don't like gambling, so I didn't do that. I just played game to earn cash. I just used tokens to earn those money. I didn't invest even a rupee. So suddenly, after a week time, I earned this 22 and I didn't invest any rupee. I saw that that Hum Punch was missing from my app. So Hum Punch wasn't there. So I don't know how to use those tokens and all. So 108 tokens is like simply wasted. I don't know how to use that. So can you see from the screen that those are all my transactions to the Paytm app. I didn't leave anything, even 1 or 2 rupee. I didn't even leave that in this app. I just transacted it because I had a strong feeling that they will be, they might block it or I won't be able to transact it. So whenever I earn a money, I just transacted it. I didn't even invest a single rupee in this app. So then I saw that this app suddenly I got login messages from Paytm, so I thought it was privacy is invading. So when I thought of deleting this app, deleting my account, and deleting all my payment, information. Then I saw that there wasn't any delete option in this app, so I contacted the customer support. One surprise I got was I wasn't able to screen record any of these chat. So I took a shot from another phone. Can you see? Can you see from the chat that there is no option to delete my account? They just responded it and closed my query. I actually made around 3 tickets and they closed everything. I wasn't able to even take a screenshot of this chat, so I took a picture from another phone. I think this app is legit. You can earn money without investing around 20 to 30 rupees, but not like the advertisements that are telecasted in the TV. You won't be able to gain 40,000 and all without even investing a single rupee in this app. You have to invest your own money. You have to play, gamble. Everything is like that only. Another one more important thing about this app is they will conduct some free contest in this app, and whenever a person enters that using tokens or anything, people will be, real people can't even earn that much amount of score. Those are all bots which will be getting all those 3,000 or 4,000 cash prize money. Normal people like us won't even get that money. We will be getting maximum of 50 rupees. That's the maximum amount you can earn from free contest. So this is my legit review. You cannot earn more than 30 rupees without even investing any cash. Be safe. So don't trust these kind of apps for long term income. I hope this video was useful for you. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do it now. Meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.